If you want to enable or disable high performance mode on OnePlus 15, first of all we can go to settings. Over here in settings, if we scroll down, you should be able to find battery, and then in here in battery we can switch to the high performance mode over here. Of course, we have this little information that the device will perform at its best, but it can also result in increased power usage, and it can cause our device to heat up. So we can just tap on turn on in order to start using this mode. Besides that, you can also go to quick settings or the control center, and you might be able to find this option over here in quick settings, but you can also tap on this pen icon at the top in order to edit the quick settings section. Tap on this plus button, and over here in these tiles you should be able to find the high performance mode. In my case it is here, so we can just add it to the list, and now I can actually tap over here in order to quickly enable and disable the high performance mode. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.